Hey guys, Kevin Jeets here tonight. Temperatures fall to a low around 65 degrees, so it's going to be warmer than it has been over the last several nights, but we're also going to have a good chance of showers and thunderstorms. So it could be some heavy rain at times overnight, and you may hear a bit of thunder overnight as well. Now tomorrow, it's going to be a cloudy day, and we're going to have the chance of rain throughout the day. But overall, I think most of these showers will be light, and we're also going to have times here where it's just cloudy and not raining. So the chance of showers exists throughout the day, but it's not going to be raining every minute of the day. So showers off and on throughout the day. We could see heavier rain and thunderstorms then tomorrow night, and there's even a chance that some of the storms do turn severe tomorrow night. So this is the Futurecast overnight tonight. We'll start out heading into the night with some heavy rain and a few thunderstorms, and then after midnight some spotty or lighter showers. That goes through Tuesday morning, and then through Tuesday afternoon cloudy with light off and on showers through the day, and then Tuesday night after the sun goes down, we'll have the chance of thunderstorms, and right around midnight or so is kind of the center point where we could have severe weather, and some thunderstorms still possible after midnight. By the time the sun comes up Wednesday, though, we're back down to just some light showers kind of lingering around and gradually moving out by midday Wednesday, and just a low chance of an isolated shower Wednesday afternoon. So in terms of the risk of severe weather, would be Tuesday night, likely overnight. So pretty late Tuesday night, and damaging wind gusts, the primary factor. There's also a slight chance that some of these thunderstorms have a bit of rotation to them, so it is also a slight tornado risk for, again, this is Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning, so overnight Tuesday night. Heavy rain and then frequent lightning, of course, also a possibility. 68 degrees then Tuesday or Wednesday afternoon. We cool down behind this cold front, and temperatures going to be in the 60s heading into the weekend. It looks dry Thursday and Friday. We'll get a slight chance of more rain moving in late in the day Saturday, and that could continue Saturday night.